Good morning, St. Mary's. It's Core.
I'm Kames.
We're coming to you guys live today on this very chilly but very sunny December morning. We are joined today by a third host who will be sticking with us throughout the duration of the holiday season. Kames, what are we starting off with today?
Well, first off, this weekend is the virtual open house, so if you guys know any middle school students or their families, please let them know to visit the St. Mary's website if they're interested and are looking for more information.
And guys, today is the first Friday of the term and our first C block under the new schedule. It begins at 11:45 a.m. just after third period, so don't be late.
And now here's Mallory Barrel with the student gift card drive update from SALT.
Fortunately, we are extending our gift card drive to December 11th. If you want to be a Secret Santa to a child in need this Christmas, it's easy. In Google, search tgt.gifts/Catholic Charities East Bay, which leads you to the Target's electronic gift cards. Purchase a $25 gift card using your credit card and in the memo space write "From St. Mary's." If you'd rather turn in cards you've purchased, you may drop them off at Belizean Daily from 9 to 4, or drop them in the red bin near the main office. This Christmas, let's give Jesus a birthday present by taking care of the little ones. Thank you, Panthers.
Thank you, Mallory and Salt. And guys, like Balul and Riley mentioned on Wednesday, today at 6 p.m. we are having a virtual holiday movie watch party. We will be watching How the Grinch Stole Christmas. We'll be doing fun raffles throughout the movie, and we'll have an awesome Kahoot afterwards, so stick around. To win some prizes, have fun with your friends, and enjoy the movie, make sure you check your emails and your class Instagram pages for all the details. We will see you guys today at 6 p.m.
And today we'd like to wish a very happy birthday to Nina Pune Sharma, Olivia Reed, and Mr. Ruby.
And over the weekend, a big happy birthday to the boy Jerry Jang, Noren Webb, our very own Miss Polara, and the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Thomas.
Well, it's holiday trivia.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Well, it's holiday trivia time, and first off, here are the correct answers from Wednesdays. So the first question was, how many Sundays are in Advent? Obviously, the answer is 4.
And in total, how many gifts were given during the song The 12 Days of Christmas? A light 364 gifts.
And for the third question, which famous artist sings the first line on Band-Aid 20's, the 2004 incarnation, Do They Know It's Christmas? Any other answer other than Chris Martin would have simply been foolish.
And as for Kevin's age in the 1990 holiday classic Home Alone, he is indeed 8 years old.
Congratulations to all those who participated in the first day of our annual holiday trivia contest. It was a close one, but here are the results. These students answered all 4 questions correctly.
In first place, we have sophomore Sophia Martinez, homeroom teacher Ms. Sakowitz. Second place, we have junior Solomon Zomeda Poseda, homeroom teacher Mr. Kelly. In third place, we have junior Mehret Vasquez Somala, homeroom teacher Ms. Yeager. And fourth place, we have freshman Duncan Galloway, homeroom teacher Mr. Nguyen. And in fifth place, we have freshman Nick Wong with homeroom teacher Mr. Marks.
All these students are on their way to winning an Amazon gift card, among other prizes. And to Ms. Sakowitz, who is Sophia's homeroom teacher, is also on the way to winning a prize. Remember, all are welcome to participate, so please don't hesitate.
Before we get into today's questions, a couple reminders. Make sure you guys email your questions to Miss Molinelli at cmolinelli@stmchs.org. And make sure you guys are using your smpanthers.org account to submit your answers.
Your subject line should read Holiday Trivia Contest.
And remember guys, the first person to send the email with all 4 of the correct answers in one email wins the day.
Well, let's get right into it. So first off, the first question is, what is Hanukkah also known as? Is it A, the Festival of Remembrance, B, the Festival of the Maccabees, C, the Festival of Lights, or D, the Festival of Judah?
And question 2, the Christmas tree originated in which country? Is it A, Poland, B, Germany, C, England, or D, Scotland?
And for question 3, who voiced the characters of the conductor in the movie The Polar Express? Was it A, Tom Hanks, B, Morgan Freeman, C, Bradley Cooper, or D, Samuel L. Jackson?
And our fourth and last question for today, who was the only Beatles to record an entire Christmas album? Was it A, John Lennon, B, Paul McCartney, C, George Harrison, or D, Ringo Starr?
Well, those are questions. Don't forget to email your answers to cmolinelli@stmchs.org with the holiday trivia contest in the subject line. Have a great Friday, and don't forget it's C Block.
We'll see you guys back here on Monday. Have a fantastic weekend.